Hey everybody, it's me again. I hope you're all having a great day today. In this video, I think I want to go over with you something that I almost always go over with my Korean viewers who are learning English at a very beginner level. So if you consider yourself as someone who's learning Korean at a very beginner level, I think this is the one for you. I believe that this is a very, very important exercise routine that all beginner learners of any language actually need to go through. So let's get right into it. All right, this is the first one we're working with. I'm just going to read through the entire thing twice before I start explaining things because I'm sure there are words and expressions that you already know, in which case you could just naturally let them sink in and give yourself a rough idea of what we're talking about in this particular example, okay? Right. I'll just read once slowly and then once normal speed. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. So 저는 is I. 주로 is usually. 주로 is usually. 지하철 is subway. Now, when we add the 로, 지하철로, it means by subway. So this by is the 로. Okay? So I usually by subway do what? 출퇴근해요. This is commute. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 저는 주로 usually 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. Okay, second sentence. 날씨가 아주 좋으면. Let's look at this part here. 날씨 is weather. Of course you know this word. How could you not? 아주 is very. 좋으면. So 좋아, 좋아요, 좋다 is nice. Is nice, right? And whenever you have a 면 with something like 좋다, 좋으면, it means when it's nice or if it's nice. So using 면, we're creating a conditional clause, right? So you can pretty much guess what this means. Weather very is nice if when. So when the weather is very nice. That's what this means. I would say when fits better because the weather tends to be nice every now and then, right? It's not a matter of if. Okay. 날씨가 아주 좋으면. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 we have a very, very important construction here. The verb that we're using here is 걸어 다니다. 걸어 다니다. So 걸어 다니다 is a combination of two different verbs. 걷다, which means walk, and 다니다, which means to make trips. Make trips from A to B. Make a trip from A to B. Basically moving around. So walk to move around, walking around. But just because we're saying walking around doesn't mean like we're wandering around, but just, getting from point A to point B and vice versa. 걸어 다니다. Now, the construction that we're combining this with, this is the important part. Actually, it's just 할 때도 있다. 할 때도 있다. 할 때도 있다. Now, I know this looks kind of complicated, but actually really simple. It means sometimes that happens. Sometimes I do this. And so what that means basically is sometimes I walk. Sometimes I go on foot. Sometimes I make the trip on foot. That's what that means basically. 걸어 다닐 때도 있다. Sometimes I walk. Now, the reason it becomes 있는데, you see, it says 있는데 is because 할 때도 있다 plus but. In English, we usually have the but at the beginning of the next sentence, the following phrase or the sentence, right? But in Korean, you'll see this happen a lot. The but or the and or the or comes at the end of the first half of the sentence. I mean, don't worry about it too much now. Just know that the base form is 할 때도 있다, means sometimes this happens. But the reason it becomes 있는데 is because we're already adding but. Even before we get to the next part. So 날씨가 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 but, okay, we already said but. 보통은 Normally. Normally 지하철을 이용해요. 이용해요. 이용하다 is use. Use. 지하철을, the subway. Normally I use the subway. I usually commute by subway. When the weather is very nice, I sometimes walk to work, but I normally use the subway. That's what this means, okay? So let me read it a few times. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. Actually, let me get rid of all this. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. Again, 주로, usually, 지하철로, by subway, 출퇴근해요, I commute. 날씨, weather, very 좋으면, when the weather is very nice, 면, this is important, right? 좋으면, when or if. In this context, it's when. When the weather is really nice, very nice, 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데, so 걸어 다니다 means to make trips on foot, to go to places on foot. 할 때도 있다. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes that happens. But 있는데, 할 때도 있는데, normally I use 이용하다, use, 이용하다, I use the subway. 저는 주로 지하철로 출퇴근해요. 날씨가 아주 좋으면 걸어 다닐 때도 있는데 보통은 지하철을 이용해요. So when you take this particular pattern, and you can easily imagine yourself replacing some of the words with other words that you already know or words that you learn in the future and just talking about something else using the same pattern. You can talk about the kind of coffee that you usually get, but then sometimes under different conditions, you sometimes get some other coffee, but normally you get what you normally get. You see what I mean, right? Okay, so I feel like that took a little longer than I thought it would. As I was breaking it down, I was actually planning on going over 2 more other patterns, kind of like this one, but in different time frames. But I think I'm going to break them into different videos, just so it gives you some room to breathe, okay? All right. Well, that's pretty much it then. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope you do a lot of practice. If you're really committed to learning real practical speech Korean, this is the kind of thing that I highly recommend that you practice very early on in your Korean learning journey, okay? Anyway, so that's pretty much it. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope I can see you very soon with the next video.